How to fix lag in Roblox. Hello everyone. If your phone keeps lagging while you are playing a Roblox game, then here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for Roblox and look for any kind of updates that may be available. Open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. Now scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down to the very bottom and select the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure no VPNs are connected to your device. After this, open Roblox and go to a game of your choice. Now here, just to show you guys, I have entered a random game. On this game, tap on the Roblox icon at the top left corner. Then go to the section Settings. In Settings, scroll down. On Graphics mode, make sure you have selected Manual. Again, open Settings on your device. Go to the option General and tap on Software Update. Check for any software updates that may be available for your device. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.